Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this rider car manufactured by Panda Baby Products. The box of this baby rider includes the car body, front wheel set, a steering wheel and a backrest. Take the front wheel set and unscrew the bolt to remove the screw. Insert the front wheel set from the bottom of the car through the body of the rider. Insert the steering at the top and pass it through the slot and tighten the screw as shown in the video. Unscrew the cell cap with a screwdriver and insert 3 AA batteries. Take the backrest and insert it in the slot provided at the back of the body. Now this baby rider is ready to your toddler to ride.